Hi, I'm Robert Hicks. I'm a junior broadcast major from Wellsburg, West Virginia.
This message was broadcasted at the request of the United States Space Administration and the United States government. Please pay close attention as the information in this message is vital to your safety. At around 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the United States Space Administration had identified a large asteroid heading towards Earth. We do not know how big the said asteroid is, but the USSA is estimating that it is capable of destroying an entire city, with its destruction radius estimated at around 10 miles wide, with an expected shockwave radius of 15 miles. Its expected path is West Virginia. For the people who are in the radius, head to an underground shelter or a sturdy basement, stock up on food, water, grab a radio, and other supplies. We will give the all clear once the event is over. This message was issued by the government of West Virginia and the West Virginia State Police. Please pay close attention to this message as this is important to your safety. Due to the ongoing disappearances that are rising, the government of West Virginia has issued a shelter-in-place warning that will take effect from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. When the warning takes effect, please listen to the following instructions: lock your doors, close your windows, do not go outside for any reason, and be cautious when taking out your pets, if you have any. If you do have to go outside, carry any item that can be used as self-defense. These kidnappers' identities are unknown, but according to locals, they appear to be wearing some sort of suit of an anthropomorphic animal, similar to a mascot costume. These incidents usually happen during nighttime, but if you do witness one of these abductors, immediately report it to 911. Remember, if you see suspicious activity, report suspicious activity.
We interrupt our scheduled program for an important message from the U.S. government. Please stand by.
This message was broadcasted at the request of the United States government and United States Department of Disease Prevention. Anyone receiving this message should pay close attention as this message is vital to your safety. The United States government and United States Department of Disease Prevention has issued an immediate evacuation order for the following states: Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, Ohio, Indiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida, Virginia, and West Virginia. At around 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a containment breach at the United States Department of Disease Prevention laboratories had been identified. Many creatures had escaped carrying an unknown virus originating from an asteroid impact in the Appalachian Mountains. These creatures appear to be that of an anthropomorphic animal made of an unknown slime-like substance with an ability of producing radioactivity and able to mutate. These creatures are very hostile and will attack. If you see any of these unknown creatures, inform any local law enforcement or military personnel. If you do come into contact with one of these creatures, immediately run away and hide. If you have any item that is able to be used as a weapon, defend yourself if you can. If you are injured, or have an infected wound by these creatures, immediately call 911, or locate the nearest medical facility. If you cannot evacuate, stock up on food, water, and other important supplies. The U.S. Air Force will attempt to evacuate via helicopter evac sites. The U.S. DDP has already set up medical facilities and checkpoints throughout the interstates. Stay safe, stay human. Radioactive beast. The military can no longer assist those who have managed to survive this long. The United States has already evacuated the last of the civilians, and will not evacuate any other survivors. For those who will not be able to leave this country, there is still hope. If you can, attempt to flee to either Mexico or Canada while you still can, as they have secured their borders for now. I will now say a verse from the Bible. Galatians 6:9. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap the harvest, if we do not give up. May God bless you, and may God bless the United States of America. We shall now play the national anthem of our once great nation.